I'm going to be reviewing this product called Baby Secret. This is for my mommies and for my aunties. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My face for the first time, my name is Noni. Do not make it your last time. Do subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my recent uploads. To my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. In today's video we are going to be reviewing this product called Baby Secret. This product, my kids have been using this product for over a year now, so I can say one or two things about the product. Firstly, this product comes in this cute bottle and in something like this. So this is the soap and this is the cream. The soap also comes in tablets. So the soap also comes in this. If you want to buy the tablet one, it comes in this small cute carton, but this one is the cream and this one is the soap. Firstly, the packaging is fine. You guys can say it's not because I'm saying it. It's not because Noni is saying it. The packaging of the soap, like the container is so cute. Like all the container, this is like, it doesn't come in any carton. It just comes naked like this. The soap, and the soap is 1000 ml. It's very, very big. Like the soap is very, very big. You can see the container. It might look small. Let me get it for you guys. So it comes in 1000 ml and the cream comes in 400 ml. So guys, let's start with the review. So this cream, first of all, this soap is very, very, it foams, it lathers a lot. Like if you take one pump, it's not like one big pump. One pump can bathe you two of your kids. It foams really, really well. The consistency is very thick. It's not light. It's not light like liquidy or watery light. It's not so thick like pap. It's just the consistency is thick, but not as thick as pap. I think it comes in a clear gel form. It looks like a gel. It comes in a clear gel form. It's not like all this milky body wash and all those things. It gives this deep cleaning without your child's body feeling dry. When we started using this soap, we bought this soap for my first daughter because she used to have this plenty reaction. Any small thing, she's already reacting to cream, to soap. So it was on doctor's recommendation that we bought this cream, this product for her. So I found out that she has really dry skin. There are some products you use on her, and after bathing, even when you moisturize her body, her skin still feels dry. But after using this soap to bathe, her skin doesn't feel dry. Even though sometimes in the night, maybe when the weather is hot, I don't like to apply cream on her body, she will still not look ashy or look dry in the morning. So the soap gives a very deep cleansing, and also without leaving your skin dry, without leaving the child's skin dry. So it moisturizes your skin. And this one is a amino acids. Mommy loves baby shower gel. The name is Baby Secret Mommy Loves Baby Shower Gel, head to toe. So I equally use this soap to wash their hair. My daughter's hair, I use this liquid soap to wash. In fact, this is the shampoo I use on their hair to wash their hair. Then I can apply my own conditioner or my DIYs or any other thing I want. But this is what I use to wash my kids' hair each time I'm washing their hair. So I use it both on their hair and on their body as well. And I've never looked back since I started using this soap. Like, it gives me what I want. Then, and this container like this can last, like this one lasts us up to 3 months. This particular soap, this container like this, lasts my kids up to 3 months. Like they use it morning and they also use it in the night. So it lasts them up to 3 months. Like consistent bathing morning and night, it lasts us up to 3 months. Soap also comes in a tablet form like this. So the tablets are all, you see the way this place is shaped, love. That's how the tablet comes. Just the same way this soap has amino acid. You can see some that will be honey, and this one is a amino acid. Like the soap, my kids, I prefer this amino acid for them, the particular one that has amino acid. But when this one, there was a time this one finished, and we are not able to get this liquid one. We're only seeing the tablets, all the supermarket that we went to. So we decided to buy the tablet. When we bought the tablet, we realized that the three that we bought, the three of them has different ingredients in them. So they have the one that is amino acid, they have the one that is honey and oat milk, they have the one that is you know, different ingredients in each of them. But the problem I have with the tablet is it does not last. This tablet does not last. If you have used Sabamade, we are using Sabamade for my kids, their tablet used to finish fast. So that's how this thing is. The tablet finishes really fast. It melts really. It doesn't melt the way Sabamade used to be. Like when you keep it, it will be water, but it finishes really fast. And the soap is not big. It's just small portable love shape. So it's like all these is it organic soap that they used to say that they will make in a very concise shape and really small, and it finishes really fast. I think they are selling one of it. I don't know how much it is now, but as of that time it was 2,000 naira per one. Do you understand? It was 2,000 naira one, like this. Why this one, I don't know how much it is now. The last time we bought it, it was about, I don't know if it's 8,000 something or so. I can't even remember, because getting the tablet, it lathers well. If it's for lather, it lathers really well, just like the liquid soap, but it does not last. So my favorite ingredient is this amino acid in the soap, because it smells really nice. It's very refreshing. After bathing them, your child will be smelling nice. Even though they don't use their body spray, they will not have all those kind of smell. No children, I don't know, there is one, I feel like children, they have one particular odor that they used to that used to come out of their body. That's what I mean. You know, when you have carried, if you have carried baby well, you know what I mean by kids. Some kids, they used to have all that odor. So the ingredients makes the amino acid, it smells really well. It smells really refreshing. Like even if they bathe in the morning and stay till evening, they don't smell funny. The cream comes in 400 ml. This cream doesn't last us up to 2 months. It lasts at least 1 month, or maybe 1 month, and any day I manage it judiciously, it will last up to a month plus. Yeah. The cream also comes in different ingredients or different fragrances. Look, I have 3 different container here now, and each of them smells differently. It's more than this, but until I started paying attention, that was when I realized that, oh, this thing has different fragrances. It has different, their containers, the cream is not the same, the ingredients are not the same. So I was only able to get these 4 containers around here now. So this is 4 different fragrances. This one is oat milk and calendula. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I will leave the name on the screen there. This particular one that they're using now, there is still cream in it, is calendula. One is the oat and avocado body lotion. Then this one is camelin acid, and this one is amino acid or amino acid. I don't know the correct pronunciation, but amino, AMINO acid, this one. So they also have the one that is hyaluronic acid, which is my favorite. Like, that one is so mild, so moisture. In fact, when I had that one, I used to rub it on my face. I even took out a small container. That's what I applied on my face before I started filming this video. I know it's not face cream, but anytime I run out of face cream, like I don't have face cream and I've not been able to replace my own, I use it because it's very mild, and it has hyaluronic acid, which is the super ingredient in moisturizing. So the cream comes in different fragrances, which I am not really impressed about. I don't know why, but I don't really like most of the fragrances. I don't like them. Then I noticed that there are some that they wrote whitening, like it bleaches, but they say it whitens or it lightens the child. There was one that my husband bought. I said, please don't buy this one. Even if you don't see them, please let them stay with that cream. But unfortunately though, when my kids were using it, I didn't notice their color changing. I didn't notice their body getting lighter or anything, but I noticed that it doesn't moisturize their skin as much as the one with hyaluronic acid does. It doesn't it doesn't give me that moisture that I'm looking for. Like when they apply, they are going to school and they apply it and they come back, they will be still looking, their skin will still be looking plump and moisturized. It wasn't giving me that effect. Apart from that, it doesn't smell nice. I don't like the fragrance that it comes with. So yeah, there are some of them that you might not like their fragrances. There are some of them that you might like their fragrance. Everybody preference or preferences differs. Do you understand? So yeah, that's one thing I don't like about the cream. It has a lot of fragrances. I wish it's just like the way like AMINO is, just one. You are buying it, you know you are buying it for this. And most times when you go and buy this one, the next time you're coming, you will not see this one again. You will see this one. And when you come, check, sorry my baby, you will not still see this one. You know, when it finishes, it is hard to replace that's how we ended up buying different fragrances, because when it finishes, the supermarkets that will buy that you're sure of buying original, they don't get that exact this thing again. They will have different fragrances that is different from that one that you're already used to, and you'll be forced to buy it. So if you have someone a place that you know that they will have it standby, like anyone you're looking for is always available, please buy the one you like and keep using it. Like me personally, I love that one with hyaluronic acid. All these ones here, I don't like them, especially this one. The smell turns me off. Like this particular one that has is it camoline? I don't really like this one with camoline. The smell turns me off. And also I did not really like this one with avocado, because it wasn't as moisturizing as it is. Though they said it's avocado and oat, it wasn't giving me that moisture effect that I was looking for. Then this one, this oat milk and calendula, it moisturizes. It moisturizes, but not as the one with hyaluronic acid. I'm trying to differentiate it for you guys so that when you're buying, you'll be able to know what you're looking for. If your child's skin is already moisturized, doesn't need a lot of moisture, you can buy other. But if you're looking for the one that will moisturize your child's skin like very, very well, get that one with hyaluronic acid, or you get this one with oat milk and calendula. That's it. Yes, or you get this one. These are the two that I can say that it gives moisture. Like it moisturizes your child's skin and makes their skin look plump and soft. This one. But you see these three, I'm not really a fan. Is it that because their fragrance are too strong for me? I like fragrance, but in cream, I'm very sensitive to fragrance when it comes to things I apply on my skin. And yeah, these ones, I don't really like their fragrances, especially this one. This one, I don't really like the fragrance of this one that much. So if you're buying it, you have to like know the one you want to buy, or except you want to do experiments just the way I have done and I know the one that I like particularly, and get other ones. Yes, and the another thing, the consistency is also not bad. It's not runny as well. You can see it's of thick consistency, but it is very lightweight. Like it melts into the skin really, really fast. You can see. Melt into the skin really fast. You can see what I mean by it leaves your skin moisturized. You can see how my hands are now. My hands are looking well moisturized. So this is what it will do to your child's skin, because during that period of harmattan, my kids, you will never see their skin looking ashy. You will never see their skin looking dry, because this cream, like right here, gives me what I want. I don't need to apply extra oil. I didn't need to apply extra shea butter or extra baby oil for their skin to shine. I don't know if that makes sense. So the product is really good. The Baby Secret is really good. I was thinking, like some people, I've seen some people when I see that, I say, what cream does your child use? They'll tell me it's Baby Secret. And you can see that the child has knuckles. You can see that the child has knuckles all over. So the first time that we bought the cream, I said, this one that people I've seen so many people using it and they have knuckles everywhere. This is what you bought. You want this children's skin? I was telling my husband that this cream is not good. That I've seen like somebody I know say that the child uses it, and when looking at that child, the child has knuckles. So, but when I started using the cream, I realized that it wasn't just that baby secret that child would be, or maybe they were missing it with something for her, so that she can lighten up, that made her to have those knuckles. I use it on all my kids, both my daughter that is very fair, my son that is fair, and my second baby that is dark. So if the cream bleaches, my second daughter is supposed to be very fair now, right? Because she's a dark skinned girl. So it doesn't bleach. It doesn't bleach the skin. Like, I am 100% sure that it does not bleach the skin. Rather, it leaves their skin very moisturized. So if you're looking for something that will lighten up your child's skin or that will bleach your child, this baby secrets, you have to look for something else to use on the child. I've used it for over a year now, so I'm telling you this. I've not used just one bottle. I've used more than 10 bottles of this cream, and I've also used a lot of the soap, because that's what my kids use this to bathe, and that is well. So you can see my hand. Even after, my hand still looks so moisturized. When I bathed, I didn't apply any oil on my hand, but only this cream that I applied, now my skin looks so moisturized. Let me show you guys the consistency. You can see the consistency of the soap. It's not so light and it's not so thick, and it lathers or it foams very, very well. So, and this container lasts my 3 kids up to 3 months. It's soap. This container lasts my 3 kids up to 3 months. So if you are just your baby, maybe you have just one, this one might last you up to 6 months. Depending on how if you're the type that pour plenty soap, you understand. But the cream is one that doesn't last us up to 2 months. It's just a month, maybe a month and 1 week or plus. Yes. So yeah, and that is it for this video. If I've been doing reviews and people has been telling me, where can I get these products? Do you know any shop where I can buy? So I thought about it, and I'm going to be dropping a link in the description if you want to buy. Amazon link in the description if you want to buy it, so that you can get it from Amazon if you're living outside Nigeria. Because that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to share the video to your friend, or if you are trying to gift a new mom, can gift her a set of this soap. I don't know if they have baby oil, because I have not really seen their oil, but I'm sure they will have complete set. So do give the video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Do share the video to someone you know the video will be helpful to. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.